My people, I don't come again. No, now your sister AB Media just arrive now. I say make I greet you now, wherever you are. Good afternoon, good night, good evening, good night, wherever you are. I say make I tell you now wetin dey happen. Our Nigerian passport enter many country, like 42 country, different country. Where you feel even dey watch this video, you feel dey see some. You understand? Because I no fit write many of them, but I the ones wey I show, una go see am there. So now I carry come. I say make I tell you now. Our country wey dey call Nigeria, e enter many country, 42 country free. So now I carry come. I say make I tell una, as una dey lis ten for my word, as una dey hear everything wey I dey talk, now I carry am come. I say make I show una, make una use una eye do Christmas for una sef, make una know where we fit enter free of charge. Now I carry come. As you can see the names. So you use your hand, you use your eye to do Christmas for yourself. You can see the names, different names. You can see the country's name. So use your eye and do Christmas for yourself, and tell other people, go and check this channel out and see the 42 country where Nigerian passport enter free. You understand? It's very important, so you will know. Sometimes it's good. Una don see am with una eye. Now I carry come. I say make I show una. Una know say na una dey watch my channel, every good one or bad one, I go still tell una how e dey be, how e dey knack. Now I tell una say 42 country wey Nigerian passport dey enter. Now I carry come. I say make I show una, because now una dey watch my video, now una dey hear everything wey I dey talk. Every good or bad, I must show una. Una go use una eye do Christmas for una sef. So now I carry come. I say make I show una Nigeria passport, the country wey enter free of charge. Now I dey knack am for this our broken, make una fit dey understand am. Now I carry come. I say make I dey show my people wey dey hear my voice, my people wey dey watch my video, make una see the 42 country wey Nigerian passport enter. It's very important, because your brother, your cousin, everybody, some people want to travel, so they can go for those kind country if they want to go. So now I carry come. I say make I tell una, na so e dey knack am. You know say na so e dey be. As una dey watch my video, my body dey do penene mana, and so now God go bless una. As una dey watch my video, God go keep una. My new subscribers, my old subscriber, God go keep una. God go bless una one by one, as una dey do everything for me. Without una, I'm nothing, but una make everything for me. I say God bless una, God keep una, God guide una for everything wey una dey do. As na this story na carry me come. I say make I tell my people wey dey watch my video, 42 country wey Nigerian passport enter. Una don hear am, una go check am. If you never check am, start from beginning of this video, watch am, make you see, watch am till the end, make you see wetin dey happen, make you check out the 42 country where Nigeria passport enter free. It's very important, because many of us we want to travel. Many people that in Africa, they want to travel, they don't know the country they will go. So you check by there, even though you don't have money for visa, because some of us don't have money for the visa to go out the country where they expect to go. So you can go for all this country if you want. It's not by force, but if when you want, you understand, you want to travel, you can check the country where enter free passport. You understand? No visa. Okay, so it's very important. Now I carry the story come. Say make I dey tell una where they hear my voice, where they hear everything while they talk, where they make my body dey sweet. I say make I tell una, because now they make my body dey sweet every time. I say make I dey tell una. Now I carry this story come. Say 42 country where Nigerian passport enter. Go and start my channel. Go and start this video from beginning. You will see many things. You will see what 42 country where Nigerian passport enter free. It's very important, because a lot of us don't know that our passport enter many country free. Then many of us will say no, there is the lie. So, but this one I'm the truth. Go and check it out and see by yourself and see what is happening. Our people where they watch me, where they hear my voice, where they make my body dey sweet, where they make everything for me. I say God go bless una, God go keep una. Everything wey una dey do, anything wey una dey look for, una go see am. God go bless YT too, YouTube where they help us too. God go bless una, because una dey try. Without una, wetin we go do? But una dey do everything for us. God bless una YouTube. Una sef, I dey help una, because una dey try. YouTube, God bless you people, because una dey try for us too. So now I carry come. I say make I tell una 42 country where Nigeria passport enter. It's very important to know. So you go and check it out. Check this my video out. Send it to your friends and your brother, your grandfather, your friends, everywhere. Just send it to them. Let them see with their eye. Now go keep una. Now go guide una. Now go protect una. Without una, I'm nothing. But una make everything my body they do many mana. So God bless you. Subscribe to this channel. Bye.